Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about collections module. Let me illustrate what I want to talk about in an example. We're going to talk about counter. Here we are having a list of 6 strings here. So we are having a list named words. There are 6 strings in this list of ours. Okay, and we see that there are some strings repetitive. For example, apple appears 3 times, banana appears 2 times, and orange appears only 1 time. We would like to count the number of repetition that we are having for each string. For example, we would like to know how many times apple is shown, how many times banana is there, and how many times, for example, orange is there. In order to do that, we can use the counter. Okay, so we are going to use from collection, we are going to import counter. So counter class from built-in collection module is added into this program. So don't forget to have this header. We are going to have counter class from the collection module. Okay. Then we use that counter, and inside parentheses, we write down the name of our list. So the counter class, we are here using it to count the number of occurrences of each word in the words list. Okay, in the words list. So I repeat it, we are going to use the counter, and in parentheses, we write down the name of our list, and we are assigning it to count here. Okay. Then we are going to print this count, and then we are going to print the count and the apple element. What we expect to see in the output when I run this code is the following. So when we are having the print function to print us the count here, it works like a dictionary. So it has apple 3, banana 2, and orange 1. Basically, it says that we are having apple 3 times, we are having banana 2 times, and we are having orange 1 time. So it counts the number of occurrences for each of the unique strings, let's say. Actually, this counter takes an iterable and as argument and return the dictionary-like objects. For example, we are having the keys that are the unique elements like apple, banana, and orange. Then we are having the values that count how many times one element is repeated or appeared. Okay, so keys and values. Exactly, very similar to dictionaries, keys and values. So apple, number 3, 3 times it appeared. Banana, number 2. Orange, number 1. So this is how we are going to count the number of occurrences of each unique element. And then we are also using that count, and then we are having apple. So now when we write down the name of the count here, because we assign the output inside this to this count, okay? When we are having it here in the print function, and then we use the apple string, we are saying that, okay, tell me how many times apple has been appeared. Then it is going to type down the number 3. So if I want to know, for example, count how many times, for example, banana appeared. Okay, sorry, it's okay. So when I run the code one more time, we see number 2 is shown in the output. Why? Because we are talking about banana, and banana appeared 2 times. And when we talk about apples, we see apple appeared 3 times. So we can also talk about each unique element individually using this syntax, or we can print the whole thing and have something like a dictionary in the output saying that apple appears 3 times, banana appears 2 times, and orange appears one time. So this was a good example for the start of this section because we're talking about now the collection module. Let me repeat it one more time. So first of all, we are importing the counter class from the collection module. It's a built-in module, okay? Then we are having a list of strings here. Okay, here is my list of strings. We are having apple appearing 3 times, banana appearing 2 times, and we are having orange. So we are having a list of 6 elements or 6 strings, let's say. Then I use the counter class, and in parentheses, I write down the name of the word. So this counter class is going to create something very similar to a dictionary, okay? That is going to have keys and values. So keys are the unique elements, values are the number of occurrences of that unique element. For example, it says apple and number 3. So apple appeared 3 times, banana appeared 2 times, and orange appeared 1 time. And this is assigned to the count variable here. Then the name is count, but it's very similar to a dictionary, let's say. And then we are having the print of that count. It's a dictionary-like output. So we are having apple 3, banana 2, orange 1. And if we want to only talk about one unique element, we can have the name of the count, and then we are having apple, and the name of the count, the name of banana. So this way we are going to see how many times apple has appeared and banana has appeared. So it was a very interesting example. We are going to dive deeper into this concept in the following videos. Thank you.